After we complete the dimension wizard, the dimension designer opens for the dimension we just created. Let's take a moment to explore the interface of the designer. On the left, we have the Attributes pane, where we see a tree view of the dimension and its attributes. At the top of the tree, we have the dimension indicated by the icon with the 3 arrows radiating from a common point, labeled Sales Territory. And we see the 3 attributes that we selected in the wizard: Sales Territory Country, Sales Territory Group, and Sales Territory Key. Whenever we select an object in the designer, the associated properties for that object will display in the Properties window. Much of our work in fine-tuning the dimension design will involve configuring properties. Now, there are different properties for the dimension than there are for the individual attributes, as we'll see in the demonstrations later in this module. Next to the Attributes pane is the Hierarchies pane. It's currently empty, but we'll be adding a hierarchy later in this module. These hierarchies are called user hierarchies to distinguish them from the attribute hierarchies. User hierarchies can have multiple levels, and they're useful for helping users navigate from summarized to detailed information. The next pane shows the data source view. Here we see a subset of the data source view showing just the table or tables that we use to create the dimension. If we decide later that we need to add more attributes to the dimension after we created it with the wizard, we can just drag the attributes from the data source view pane over to the Attributes pane to quickly add them. The Solution Explorer shows us all the files in our project, and after we completed the Dimension Wizard, a new file was added to the project, the Sales Territory DIM file. If we later close the Dimension Designer for Sales Territory, we can just double-click the file name here to reopen it, and as we add other dimensions to our project, each dimension will have its own file in the Dimensions folder.